Imagine waking up in 2025, checking your phone, and seeing a bank account that grows while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, here's the harsh reality. If you don't act now, you could miss the wave of wealth creation happening right in front of us. And no, I'm not talking about boring 9-to-5 jobs or get-rich-quick schemes. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 actionable ideas to start building real wealth. Yes, even if you have no experience or capital right now. Stay with me because the last idea is a total game changer, and if you skip it, well, you'll regret it. Let's dive in.
Wait, is this one of those scammy videos?
The first idea is tapping into the freelance AI services market. Here's why. AI isn't just the future, it's already here. Businesses everywhere are looking for freelancers who can help them create content, optimize workflows, or even train their teams using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and others. Here's the kicker. You don't need to be a tech wizard. There are online courses that teach you these tools in a week. Think about it. Companies pay $50 to $100 an hour for skills you can learn from your couch. Are you willing to invest a week to start earning like that? Or are you going to let someone else take your spot? Now, if freelancing sounds like trading time for money, the next idea will give you a way to earn on autopilot. Digital products are the new gold rush. Ebooks, courses, templates. You create it once, and it sells forever. Here's a fun stat. The online education industry is set to hit over $500 billion in the next few years. Why not claim your slice of the pie? Start small. Maybe a fitness guide, a resume template, or even a beginner's stock trading course. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make it easy to list your product. And here's the secret sauce. Use TikTok or Instagram Reels to market it. A single viral post can bring in thousands of sales. But don't get too comfortable because the next idea could leave you behind if you wait too long.
But I don't have time for this.
Let's talk about flipping items for profit. You've seen it. Sneakers reselling for $500, vintage watches going for thousands. But here's the twist for 2025. Flipping isn't just for fashion. People are making serious money reselling refurbished electronics, rare collectibles, and even furniture. Apps like OfferUp, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace are your playground. Got $50? Start small. Buy a secondhand gadget, fix it up, and flip it. It's exciting, right? But hold on, because the next idea involves no inventory, no upfront costs, and still has massive potential. From physical products, we're stepping into a realm where your words can make you money. User-generated content, UGC, is exploding in 2025. Brands are desperate for relatable, authentic videos to market their products. And guess what? You don't need to be an influencer with 1 million followers to cash in. All you need is a smartphone and creativity. Brands will pay you to create product reviews, tutorials, or even short clips for their ads. What's stopping you? Perfection? Trust me, authenticity beats polish every time. But the biggest opportunity in 2025? That's coming up next.
What's the catch?
Here's the grand finale. AI-powered niche businesses. This is where true wealth is being created. Imagine running a business that uses AI for customer service, delivery, or even personalized marketing. For example, start a subscription box service but use AI to predict what your customers will love next, or launch a local business that uses drones for delivery. The possibilities are endless, and you don't have to build the tech. Tools like Zapier and no-code platforms make it accessible to anyone. But there's a catch. You need to act fast. The early movers in this space will dominate, leaving latecomers scrambling to catch up. Here's the bottom line. 2025 will be a turning point for many. You can either watch others create wealth or take the leap yourself. So, which of these 5 ideas will you start with? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable strategies to build your dream lifestyle. Remember, opportunity waits for no one. The question is, are you ready to grab it?
Let's get rich.